It's over for you guys.
What is
Oh,
going on?
God,
Oh my god, Venom,
Oh
what the
my-
fuck?
Dude, this pool is so fucking.
It's every pull for him, bro.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
stop. Wait, I gotta-
Every
Wait,
pull.
please, chill. We win.
Oh, we went that way.
Every pull for Venom.
Bro, I swear
Counter
to God,
suit,
word
counter
tie.
It's
What
you,
is that?
legit, you're getting hit to every lightning
Yeah,
every
worse,
time.
bro.
Let me hit.
Yeah.
I didn't eat mana food. Oh my god, GG guys.
Guys, the stagger doesn't look really low.
Helps cleanse. Bro, I'm trying to eat my mana food.
Oh,
This is
it's
so
over.
fucked up. Did I eat it? I can't tell. I think it just ate
Yo,
70 mana food.
You ate it, you ate it. Or go, dark it.
Yo, Venom.
Someone dark. Someone dark.
Anyone else feel that in the end?
Dark, guys, dark!
Alright, no dark on the boss. GG, we lost.
Wait, guys, hold up. Wait, guys, summon dark. I literally have no more. There's no way you guys are.
Yes.
What the hell?
Go.
I got it.
This is a shit show, clusterfuck, bruh.
Come for more.
You have Aurora?
Go, it's up for 5 seconds.
5 seconds, no matches. 8
Alright, go,
seconds.
keep going. It should be up. I need to extend it. I'm pressing everything.
Extend.
My fingers are breaking.
Fingers are breaking.
Dude, I can't take this seriously. I actually can't.
I can't.
Where's my DR?
Oh my god, we have to.
Extend.
My fingers are breaking.
I got you. No. Oh my god. Oh my.
You are there.
Please,
Yo,
I
where's
can't
my
take this seriously. I can't. I
I
can't take this seriously.
My team
I can't
every
take this
time,
seriously.
bro. I get punished every time, bro.
Oh my god.
I get punished saving my
can't
team
anymore.
every time, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's actually ruined
Oh,
now.
that's
I can't learn a new
funny.
class like this.
I can't.
I can't learn a new class like this.
Oh my god. Oh my
the
god,
retards are
bro.
coming out. Oh no.
Careful. Oh my god, bro. Counter. Get out. Okay, never mind. You got it.
Yeah.
Oh, we all have 1 life, so we actually have to play
Oh
perfect.
shit.
We have to play perfect.
It's
Oh my
that time of
god,
night.
bro.
Aura, I have fucking no mana.
I don't know what to say, bro.
Yo,
It was
fuck
all
the orbs, we
the
don't
whole
need
time.
those.
Put those out. Oh my god, almost.
I saw that. What the fuck?
That was
Oh,
scary.
yeah.
Oh, hell no, bro. I'm out of here.
Wait, what? Someone
Oh,
got
hell
hit?
no.
was so
Yeah,
lucky
operate
we
got
were
it.
dead.
Operate got it.
Operate.
Sorry. Yeah,
Oh,
let me
he's
call you.
permanent.
I'm
Dead
all
now.
dead, guys.
Oh my
You didn't
god.
go, you said, oh, no. What do you mean?
I literally
Oh,
called
we
it.
did.
I said I'm hit, and then I pinned it. I said I'm hit, and I pinned it. Everybody heard it.
I heard it.
Yeah, this is shit clearing. Hello?
It's actually over.
Bro, why did I say I'm breaking my fingers?
Bro. It's actually over.
We're having a little too much fun.
Wait, this is too much fun. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm actually so down to fucking just keep
Nah,
jamming.
this
with
feeling is
I'm
so good.
so down.
Bro, I would pay 25k to play this forever, I
I'm
think.
Yeah,
so
might as
down.
well.
This shit is too fun.
Well, I have the
Minus
worst
that.
cards ever, but it's fine. I have a 3-headed and star. It's pretty good.
Holy fuck, it's so hot in my room.
Cause you're in there.
You're not a goblin, man. You're not a goblin. Oh my god.
Dude, what was a Billy noise?
He saw me going for a strength orb and he grabbed it and then he said,
Repair.
"Yeesh."
Repair.
Oh,
That was very
okay, okay.
uncharacteristic of me. I don't know why I did that.
Go,
Guys,
go,
we
go.
had to
What took over
refeast in
Billy?
10 minutes. I lose my feast.
Okay, come out.
This is
Let
one tap.
me
This is
stem
one tap,
at
it's
this
one
point. It's
Alright,
10
we-
seconds.
Alright, let's do it.
There's one tap. Okay. No more funny
We
business.
one tap here.
No more funny business.
Yeah, actually one tap.
Yeah,
Hey, are you guys still in your first run?
Yeah,
Wait, we're about to clear our second!
bro.
What the
Yo.
fuck are you guys doing in there?
Bro, we have a
To be
blader
fair, we
on
had
the
to-
first
to
time
be fair-
TTH.
To be fair, we had to back out for like 58 years.
Oh, yeah, we did.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're AK for
Yeah,
years.
yeah.
Okay.
I
Alright,
see.
let's go.
Okay,
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 alright,
okay.
I mean, we can clear, but I don't really want to clear.
Why'd I just
Yeah, I don't really
clear?
want to clear.
No. Let's actually clear though. Let's
Let's
I-
clear,
I-
let's clear.
It sounds like John
Alright,
wants to
I'm
clear,
dark.
guys.
I'm darking, I'm
What?
darking.
You don't want to play
Now
more
I want to clear.
TTH?
No, I do, but like,
I'm darking, I'm darking.
shit.
I swear I would pay infinite to just sit in here forever.
I wouldn't. So just go.
Why is it on me?
I actually
Just
can't wait to
fucking-
play Arcana though. Holy fuck. God, that's gonna be so fun. Yeah.
I'll be okay.
You'll be okay.
Never mind. I'm
I
trying
got
to-
you.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Fuck, I was
We're
too
dead.
late.
I'm dead.
Oh my god, he's dead.
Fine.
Okay, guys, I don't want to clear.
Alright, Ellis is down 10 pots already. Guys, I think you have to restart.
Yeah, we have to re. Not really, but we have to re.
Really?
Ah, Clits!
Oh my. Vems, are we even trying?
Can't move! Wait, my mouse. Oh, what the fuck? You see that, Sai?
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing there. Like, are you
Oh my
standing
god, I'm
there?
dead.
You're
No, I
back
actually
up.
hit 78 plus because I spacebar through every single laser. And
Vems,
now I'm
are we
dead.
being serious?
Ah, bro, this pool is so bad, bro. Let's kill it, though.
It's every pull for him, bro. Literally. Oh, we have to clear, actually.
Hey, we have to clear it because my feast runs out, guys.
Shit, mine don't run out. I think you ate too early, man.
What the fuck? I should have ate an Aura Feast, fuck.
Okay, the Aura one.
No way, I
Oh,
add
I
to it and
did
then
see it.
I see. Oh my god, this FF, guys. I'm so.
Oh my
Bro.
god. Dude, are you guys
Okay.
even
Dude,
trying?
no way, I Atro and then I see the aura run. Bruh.
It's actually over.
God, come on.
Okay.
Well,
okay.
first I'm not critting my fucking X.
Wait,
60%
that's like
chance.
a 1%.
Wait, it's cause I got tilted. I didn't revive.
Probably
We
not
just think-
crits in.
Yeah, probably because of that.
Ah, shit.
Oh, not good.
Anvil.
Thank you.
I have to get some
Oh,
of them.
Blington.
It's fine though.
It's fine.
Oh my god, they're at Anvil at their second run.
Oh,
They're
fuck.
ahead of us, bro, on our first four.
I mean,
Come
we're
on,
guys are
just-
getting
Axel cancel with spacebar. It's good.
Double up.
You guys are having fun, right? So
Wait, how do you know they're at Anvil? Who's streaming?
I just said
He
Anvil.
said Anvil.
Oh, sorry. I'm like not paying attention. My bad.
it's okay, Zero.
Sometimes I
Awakening?
just like zone out and then like
I'm using Awakening. Go
I
here,
don't know
guys.
where I am.
Yeah, I feel that.
Somehow down 3 pots already, Zai.
Should be fine from here on out.
It's like by far the. Oh, it's all good.
Venoms, I'm seeing how you playing. I don't think it's Zai's fault.
Literally.
Literally.
Like, I'm gonna be for real.
No, man, it's so fucked up. Guys, just let me die.
Get him out.
Please just let me die.
Oh my
Oh my god.
Oh!
Guys, we can't be ring again.
They just did.
Well,
Yo, Sag,
yeah,
can
no,
you
but
stream?
right.
I need a real stream.
Sure, here. Stream lost out. Stream.
I know what we're
There,
doing,
Anvil.
but okay. Lock in for real this time.
Die, go
Oh
die, go die.
my god, die.
I'm darking. Oh wait, dark's up. Alright, I'm fucking the boss.
Lock in for real this time.
For real this time, guys.
Really?
Sign.
For real this
For
time.
real, well, guys, we need to clear it, guys.
God, TTH is actually kind of fun.
Just refund my cut if they ask.
I think I've lost gold because I've used so many red pots.
Come on,
Oh, my
Venom,
bad.
are you
Sorry,
serious?
sorry.
That's funny.
I've been
I
buying
mean, shit,
infinite.
I would do the same. I would do the same. I got second one. I got second. Good boy, Bleak, good boy.
What the fuck? Alright.
I'll go left.
Okay,
First, and then on my left.
Okay, go ethical mode. Literally, like, don't get hit by anything.
Literally.
And Elsa.
Literally.
Literally.
Repair.
Oh my.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's go.
How long
Alright.
can you extend your ore right here, Zai?
45 seconds.
40 seconds. Yeah,
Yep.
he's right. He's right.
Oh my god. Wait, he knew.
Yeah, he played it. Whoops.
What?
That would have been bad.
That would have been bad.
God. You have to be a bit careful.
Meow.
Yeah, okay, fine. Dude, yeah, the skill pushed me back. I was like, nice.
What? Oh my god. I don't care. Let's clear, guys.
He doesn't care.
He doesn't care. Just clear, guys.
Just clear, guys.
Clear, guys.
Right there, guys. Where's he?
No.
Oh, you water soon?
I'm out of darks.
It's up. It's up.
I'm gonna start
dark?
soon.
Yes.
I can't get it. I'm red.
I
I'm
can't-
red.
I can't-
I can't get it. Me.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm red. I can't.
Smack.
Alright, see you guys.
Oh.
I can
I
get
just
it.
use it. I don't have.
I can get it. I can get it. I can get
Yeah,
it.
yeah, you got to get it.
Oh my god.
I have to edge it. Hold on. My bad. I knew I was gonna get it there. Yep.
Oh, that's
Alright,
a
we're
little
2-2. Don't
racist.
turn here.
I'll be okay.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
I don't.
I got.
It's phased.
I'm gonna dark here, just so we can.
I'm going to hyper the red side.
Okay.
Damn, they're at 165 already.
I'm hypering.
Well, we're gonna X both. Wait,
I'm
wait, don't hit.
darking.
Wait. Let's see. And. Oh, I missed. GG. Fucking GG.
Okay, he missed.
Prince,
Lee.
how does
Maybe that
Bro,
would
what?
work.
What is that ping diff? There's zero chance. I don't believe that.
Okay, fuck it, we just don't recast.
Okay.
Two. 1-1.
Me and operate. Make sure to take it out after. Take it out. Nice. Oh. Good enough.
I gave my X. Yeah,
Thought I
Yeah.
had that tech.
Blue,
can't get
someone
it.
help.
I'm red. I can't.
Oh my god, I'm a
Ooh,
fucking
nice.
freak.
You're a freak.
Oh my god, you're such a
Alright,
freak. I love
welcome
you.
Back.
I'm such a freak. I'm so freaky. Ah.
Ah.
Okay, focus
Let
up.
me
I
in,
don't know
let
why I
me
did
in,
that.
Target,
Sorry.
target,
Let me in,
target,
let me in,
Yeah,
target.
letting you hit. Look at your target.
Me.
Oh my god, Dai, you have to full buff here, Zai. I'm gonna fuck him.
Yeah. Me too.
Alright, I'll have it read.
Yeah, I need it.
Wait,
I'll
someone
dark it. I'll dark
Yeah,
it.
you
I'll
dark.
dark it.
Okay.
Okay.
Make sure to guard.
Wait, does the ore reach me in the back?
It should, I think.
Darking.
Wait, we pushed so fast. I'm not waking up. What are you guys doing?
Alright, I have it up. I have it up all the way for you.
Okay, yeah, I need fucking 40 seconds.
Okay. I don't know, but let's just see.
Yeah, wait, you guys fucked the boss as well. What the hell? That's actually insane.
Just let me know when you're doing it, so I know.
20 seconds. Probably
Oh,
after
no,
the
no.
mech.
Oh no, bro.
You won't? Oh, GG, bro.
I will. I'll just stim for you.
Oh my god, I'm such a freak with the new spacebar. Oh,
I have it or
I'm
no?
doing it. Yeah,
Alright,
yeah,
dark
go,
it.
go, go.
You dark it. You dark it. You
Dark?
dark it. During the boss.
Yeah, DR me. That hits me? Yeah. Oh, thank you, Zai. So good.
Got you. Got you.
Trying to get the blues. Oh,
Oh no, we're in a small
What?
pocket.
don't counter.
Careful, no counter.
Darking.
Has anyone died yet? That ran Venoms?
No. This is the pull.
Oh, we're
shit.
playing. We're playing it
Wait.
clear this time.
You guys are locked in.
yeah.
I'll refresh. Anvil. After it. Only him.
Sorry.
Actual racism.
Holy fuck, guys. These battles.
I'm earthquake. Can you cleanse me after John?
Oh wait. Oh, I got you.
I'm up.
Sorry.
What the
Cleanse,
fuck?
I don't have.
cleanse,
I use.
I cleanse. Nice, good job.
Darking.
Meow.
Meow.
I don't know why I did that. I'm sorry.
Okay, recenter it.
Yeah.
Checks the time, and it's past 1 a.m. And yep,
I can't get it.
Wait, how do you know this?
it's just the classic. It's the Billy classic.
Good year.
Clock reaches
Yeah.
1. Clock reaches 1 a.m. All of a sudden, Billy's a different man.
Sus, man.
Billy
Is
does
there-
get. Okay. Actually, let me focus.
I'm sorry.
I'm not thinking about Billy right now. Oh my
Oh
god.
shit.
Watch out. Oh my god. Oh my, he's just stuck there.
Look at your target.
Target.
Me.
Mina. Careful.
Don't hit it.
step over.
Don't hit it. Chill.
GG.
How
Yeah,
the
son.
fuck
Oh,
am
no,
I doing
it'll
a guard?
disappear. It'll
It's gonna
disappear.
disappear. Chill. It's gonna disappear.
Someone dark this?
I'll dark.
Okay.
You might have to get over here, or
What are we thinking, Blee?
I'll refresh this.
There's a lot more than bleed used to do, but
Yeah, I mean you're pumping, dude.